Hi and welcome to the Funk Room channel. We're working remote finally. So we have a Wellbrook ALA 1530 loop on our 50-foot, roughly 50-foot I suppose, tower, about 30 mile away. That's using H155 coax into the radio room to a Discovery Airspy HF Plus Discovery radio, which is then linked to the computer, and then the computer is linked across the internet to this laptop, which is, as I say, in another location 30 miles away. And everything is running perfect. I can also get it on the mobile phone, so basically on my smartphone I can listen to any frequency I want. I've got other antennas, as we know, airband antennas and whatever. I can listen to anything you want on the actual mobile phone or on the laptop or the pad, or I was even listening to it with the phone in the car, or it can actually get linked to the TV as well, and it can come up on the TV. And this is done through Google Remote Desktop. If you set it up and there's some issues with timeout, you have to put like a mouse joggler, which we've got there. Then here, program on the computer in the radio room, and it just stops it going to sleep basically. I've had it run for about 2 or 3 days, and there's not a problem. So the antenna's facing, I was on a rotator and it's facing west at the moment. So if we go into long wave, so yeah, we can pick up long wave really well. Obviously loads of NDB beacons if you tune in. Yeah, so anyway, as a channel update, we're doing some VHF tests and everything with the Discovery, HF Plus Discovery, and other scanners, and I think the PCR 1000 we're going to do some tests against Discovery, especially on VHF. It won't be as good as Discovery obviously on HF or VHF. And I think we're going to start using some inline airband filters to test those as well in the next few weeks. So some more tests coming up in the next few weeks of different radios, filters and amplifiers. Okay, thanks for watching.